So, if you've ever tried to really improve yourself, you probably hit that phase where you're doing a lot. New routines, books, habits, apps. It gets overwhelming fast. And here's the thing that no one really tells you. Most of it doesn't matter. There's this idea, the 80-20 rule, and honestly, it's one of the most useful things I've learned. Basically, 80% of your results come from just 20% of your actions. And when you think about it, it makes sense, right? You don't actually need to stack 10 different habits to change your life. You just need to focus on the few things that really move the needle. For most people, that's good sleep, exercise, focused, distraction-free work, and maybe a bit of journaling or reflection, just to keep your mind clear. That's it. These simple things, they create momentum, sleep better, you think clearer, train your body, you start showing up more confidently. It all connects. But here's where people get stuck. And I've done this too. We chase motivation, we overload our schedules, we try to force everything at once, and then we burn out. But the people who actually make progress, they keep it simple. They ask, what's actually helping me right now? And then they just stick to that. So if you want to apply this, honestly, it's not complicated. Take a second. List out everything you're doing to improve yourself right now. Then look at that list and circle the stuff that actually helps you feel better, think clearer, or get real results. Cut the rest, focus on those few things, and go all in on them. That's how you build real progress. Not by adding more, but by focusing better. So yeah, the 80-20 rule. It's not about doing more or being perfect. It's about being honest with yourself and putting your energy where it actually counts. And once you start doing that consistently, things begin to change. Not overnight, but for real. So, slow down, simplify, focus on what matters, and just keep showing up. That's how progress really happens. And hey, if this gave you something to think about, maybe stick around. There's more where this came from. You've got this.